Dear students and parents, welcome to the Test Prepka channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about KCET Karnataka Common Entrance Test, the seats and the reservation in this examination. So I would request you to please completely watch this video, and then if you have any questions, you can actually put it up in the comment section. Also, refer to the DASSC IWG document prepared with the Test Prepka team. So let's begin with this video, and we are going to cover the following topics: the seats breakup, and how does the reservation operate within the Karnataka Common Entrance Test examination. So let us begin. And first of all, you need to know that Karnataka Common Entrance Test is there for all the courses on offer in the colleges that are participating within the state of Karnataka. So the seats, any regional university or education institution in the Hyderabad Karnataka districts, 70% of the seats in every program is a seat reservation, and 8% of seats in every program is for the state university, engineering college or institution. So now, a reservation of seats for Article 371, that is Hyderabad Karnataka region. So the part of the state called the Hyderabad Karnataka region, which has the districts such as Bidar, Gulbarga, and Yadgir, Raichur, Koppal and Bellary, and it is regarded as a local area within that. So 70% of the available seats in every course of study in any regional university or education institution located in the places referred in the districts that I just mentioned. So 70% of the seats available in every course of study in such a institution in these locations shall be reserved in favor of the local persons in respect of such university or education institution. So if you happen to be from any of these districts, belonging to any of the districts that I just named, such as Gulbarga, Bidar, Raichur, Koppal, Bellary, Yadgir, then you are going to be avail those particular seats that actually belong to the local person as given in this article. So 8% of the available seats for every course of study provided in a statewide university or a statewide education institutions is allocated among the local candidates of the Hyderabad Karnataka region. So this is just to give you an idea of how the reservation actually operates within this. Now, the reservation for the reserved category candidates who belong to SC, ST, OBC category, they have to produce a caste certificate for the reservation. Then there are rural candidates. Also, 15% of government seats are there. 5% are there for candidates from the Kannada medium. Jammu and Kashmir migrants have 1 seat in every engineering college reserved for them. Then Jammu and Kashmir, apart from that, defense personnel of Karnataka, 10% seats in all engineering colleges are for the wards of those defense personnel. Supernumerary category, 5% seats in all the engineering colleges under the KCET exam. So I hope that gives you a fair enough idea of how the scheme of reservation or the seat allocation actually works out for all the engineering colleges that actually get the selection through the KCET exam. And if you are hopeful for that, you will have a fair enough of idea, right? So then there is for the sports category and NCC as well. There is the Thal Sainik group, All India Boys, and then All India Girls, which has a reservation effective for it. All India Nau Sainik and All India Vayu Sainik camp is there as well. For sports who represented the country and won medals in Super A Games, A Games, B Games during 5-year study in Karnataka from 8th to 12th standard, they will be eligible for seeking admission through the sports category quota in any of those graduating colleges. Then scouts and candidates who have received Scouts Guides, the President Award during 5-year study in Karnataka, again from the 8th through 12th standard, will be eligible for seeking admission through this special category. Then there is category for defense, ex-defense, physically handicapped, even Anglo-Indian category is there, Central Armed Police Force and ex-Central Armed Police Force. So candidates which have certificates from the record of CAPF office, they are eligible for this Central Armed Police Force and ex-Central Armed Police Force, and obviously their wards. So Anglo-Indian category is there. You need to have a certificate issued by the Registration Association of the Anglo-Indian Community in the state of Karnataka. And then physically handicapped, obviously of hearing disability, physical disability. So let me tell you about that also. That reservation actually operates if you have a physical disability ranging above 40%. They should produce a medical certificate issued by the competent doctor of any government hospital located in Karnataka, in the state of Karnataka, in the field of concerned disability, only on the day of medical examination, not required before that. So candidates suffering from hearing disability should compulsorily obtain from brainstem evoked response audiometry report from All India Institute of Speech and Hearing. Or it could be from NIMHANS or any other institute located close to around Bangalore. Even Manipal Hospital certificate would do. So this is pretty much it. Medical board will examine the candidate and certify regarding the percentage of the disability, and that is what they need to know. It has to be above 40% for you to be eligible for availing this kind of a reservation under the disability category. And there is a reservation for Kannada medium students, as I told, and through the rural category I told is there. And for Kannada medium students, you had to have studied this language from class 1 to class 10 in order to be eligible for this. And then there is a supernumerary quota in which you can avail the facility. You need to provide an income certificate issued by the concerned Tehsildar. So reservation for Jammu and Kashmir migrants, one in each engineering college, as I told you. And this might not be actually applicable for most of you. But still, if any of you falls in that category, you can actually seek admission through that as well. Hyderabad, the Karnataka quota, I have already named the districts which are applicable for this. And that was pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I would request you to actually go back and watch the other video that I have made for the KCET examination. And I wish you all the best.